Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money working from home. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and consider subscribing and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. And today I have an app that I wanted to share with you called Feature Points. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and consider staying tuned. And then don't forget to check out the details in regards to the gift card giveaway that we are doing for Valentine's Day. The details are going to be in the description below this video, so go ahead and check that out. And this is what the app looks like. I am currently in my Google Play Store. So this is what the logo of the app looks like, and we're just going to go ahead and look at the app and see how high is this app rated and what is and just read a little bit about the app. Now, this app is rated at 4.3 stars. It does have over 100,000 ratings. And it does have reviews as well. Now, if you were interested to read a little bit more about the reviews, you are welcome to come into your Google Play Store or your iOS Apple Store and read. And as always, I will go ahead and put the link to this app in the description below this video so that you can go ahead and check it out if it's something that you will be interested in. Now, let's go up here and read about the app. It says about this app: earn rewards by trying free apps, completing surveys, shopping online, and more. Make money and earn rewards on your phone by trying free apps, completing surveys, shopping online, and more. It says we've paid out over 5.8 million US dollars in rewards since 2012. Redeem for amazing rewards. Use your points to get rewards including PayPal Cash or Amazon, Google Play, Steam. Does it mean Steam or does it mean stream? I don't know. Okay, it says Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, eShop, Nordstrom, Sephora, Starbucks, gift cards, and more. Download apps. Download free apps and earn points for trying them for a few minutes. Okay, completing surveys. Get paid for giving your opinion, answer survey questions, and earn points. Earn cash back. Earn points when you shop online at stores including Walmart, Best Buy, Sephora, Target, CVS, and hundreds more. Available in the US and Canada. Okay. Share with friends. Share feature points with your friends and earn up to 50% of the points they earn. Earn everywhere. Earn points on the web too. Go to featurepoints.com on your PC to get started. Earn points on Android and iOS and the web. Okay, and it does give you just a little bit more information about the app. It looks pretty simple and self-explanatory. If you like to do shopping online, it does give you points whenever you shop online. And we're gonna go ahead and just open the app. I did install this app on my phone, and I did install the app on my phone, but for some reason, I'm gonna say this, it gives the option to sign up or log in, and I clicked. I didn't want to go and start filling out everything to put my information, so I wanted to go ahead and do it with Facebook. But for some reason, when I was entering my it did ask, obviously it was using my email from my Facebook account, and then it does ask you to create a password, and then it asks if you are a robot or not, like as you can see here. But for some reason, my passwords, when I was putting them, I did make sure that I was spelling everything like for instance, I spell my first password and then it says to re-enter your password to confirm that you are aware of what you put in as your password. Well, I did that and it wouldn't take my password. It said that my passwords were not the same, and I rechecked over 10 times and they looked the same. So I don't know if it was my phone, if it was like a glitch going on with the app. I don't know. I mean, if any of you have had any similar experience, go ahead and let us know. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, I did recheck my password many times and they were the same password. The same password that I put on the top, I put on the bottom, but for some reason it just wasn't taking my my password, so I was not able to sign up with them, which is a bummer because I wanted to kind of see and try it out and maybe do like a little kind of share my experience with you guys, but it didn't let me. So yeah, I just have to share it with you guys. Now we're gonna look at what it looks like. So this is what it looks like once you install the app. It does provide you a little bit more information about the app. They do tell you up just about the same thing that we read on the about section. They claim that they have given out about a little over 5.8 million since 2012. It does show that you can do surveys to earn cash back, and they do show the different stores that they do work with. For instance, if you were to buy online, if you were to shop online at Best Buy, Forever 21, Walmart, Targets, for Macy's, you will earn cash back. And they also show that you can download apps, and whenever you use it, you can earn points and redeem them for cash or gift cards. So yeah, it looks pretty self-explanatory. And then now if you wanted to go to help and support and ask for help if you are facing any problems, I mean that's a good section. And like I said, if you were interested in this app and you wanted to read just a little bit more about other people who have used this app, when you go to the Google Play Store, they do have this section where people write down their reviews. That's really helpful. You can go and read that. And yeah, this is feature points. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Now, if you are interested in learning a way to earn long-term passive income stream, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I will go ahead and share more details in regards to that with you in there. And that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.